Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits Jabber to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the biological system. Assuming that you're searching for Spell token cost expectations figure for 2025, 20 papaya and need to know where the Jabber of Spell token Spell will go from now on. We will dissect the previous cost of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its Jibber cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every Jabber with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally Jibber. However, we will make an Jabber effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $0.0789 and Spell is presently positioned #400 Jabber 2 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Spell token is 107 Jibber 405,620,969 with a market cap of $84,795,553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its Jabber worth. Jibber, we analyzed the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap is additionally down. Spell token is Jibber a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly disappointment 0.5 Jibber over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could major areas of papaya for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a Jibber resource in present moment. Spell token benefit mini computer is a free instrument that Jibber you to quickly assess the presentation of your Spell possessions by working out expected benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Essentially enter the sum you have Jibber, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our Spell mini computer will wrap up. We foresee Jibber Spell token cost expectation Spell gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather greatest Jibber information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Jibber cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Spell token value forecast Jibber. There is Jibber for Spell token cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $0.015 toward the finish of 2025. With the ongoing cost of $0.0789, Spell token holds its ground on the lookout. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 20 Jibber is $0.086, with a likely high of $0.0102. Our Spell token long haul estimate for 2050 proposes Spell possibly running Jibber in the range of $0.7034 and $0.7932. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Spell Jibber in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.631 mark. Spell token value Jibber 2024. The cost of Spell token is Jibber to reach at any rate level of $0.0892 in 2024. The Spell Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.01 with the typical cost of $0.0924 all through 2024. Spell Jibber value Applesauce 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of Jabber $0.013. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of Jibber $0.015 with the typical worth of $0.014. Spell value figure for 2026. As per our profound Jibber examination on past value information of Spell, in 2026 the cost of Spell token is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.019. The Spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.023 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0 in Applesauce 2 Jibber and USD. Spell Jibber Spell value forecast 2027. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any Jibber worth of $0.027 in 2027. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.033 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.028 all through 2027. Spell Jibber value expectation 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any Jibber worth of $0.04 in 2028. The spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.048, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.042 all through 2028. Spell Gibber Value Forecast 2029. According to the Gibber Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2029 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.059. The spell cost can arrive at a Gibber degree of $0.069 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.062. Spell Gibber Spell Value Expectation 2030. The cost of one spell token is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.086 in 2030. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.01 Gibber $2 with a typical cost of $0.089 all through 2030. Spell Token Value Conjecture 20 Gibber 1. Spell token cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.129 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.0148 with the typical gauge cost of $0.0134 Jabber. Spell Token Spell Value Gibber 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.184. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of Gibber $0.0223 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0191. Spell Token Value Gibber 2033. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.267 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.315 Jabber with the typical estimate cost of $0.0274. Spell Token Value Estimate 20 Gibber. Understanding business Gibber patterns and opinions is pivotal, however feeling can be whimsical. Analyzing current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost Gibber, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of spell token is Jabber to reach $0.631, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.5608. The base cost is projected to be around $0.5311 Gibber. Spell Value Gauge for 20 Gibber. The reception and true use instances of a digital disappointment are Gibber fundamental contemplations. Projects with useful applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long Gibber. According to the Spell Token Cost Gauge for 2050, Spell is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of Jabber $0.7932 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Spell Gibber in 2050 is supposed to be around $0.7034, while the typical cost of the Spell Token for 2050 is projected